How to enjoy drawing again. If drawing feels like a chore instead of passion, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Seb. This is Last Cartoon Hero, where artists level up. If you'd like to get better at drawing, subscribe. The topic of this video is very close to my heart, because there were many times when I was really, I love drawing, right? It is my passion. It is what I want to do in life, express myself, especially in a comic book medium. But very often I was just burnt out and really couldn't get myself motivated, couldn't get myself to sit at the desk and actually draw, even though I have so many projects. I have my comic book that I've been working for 15 years, hoping I'm gonna finish it every single year, this time hoping that's gonna be the year. But life gets in the way. Whatever happens in your head, it directly reflects your drawing abilities. So if life isn't going well, the drawing won't go well either, or not as good. So a story time. When I was moving house because the landlady decided to sell the old one, and my cat had to purchase one, it was the most stressful time in my life. Looking for a house, then moving, really one of the most stressful ones. And during that time, I was so stressed, I said to myself, I won't be drawing again ever. I was really considering that. I was like, okay, I'm gonna finish this comic book, my debut, and if it goes nowhere, I will never draw again, I will never even attempt. That's where I was, a bad place in my head. And it was because I was overstressed, I had too many things on my mind. It's direct correlation, which you don't really think about when you try to draw and it doesn't work and you're getting stressed and annoyed. My tip here is this: if you would like to find joy in drawing again, you need to find joy in living. And to do so, you really need to invest in your mind. That being going to the counseling, therapy. I've been going for almost 2 years regularly now. Or looking for meditation practices. There's plenty online and I can recommend a few. Awareness, mindfulness. Anthony de Mello, Eckhart Tolle, cool guy who is very funny with his face expressions. And then you have somebody more grounded like Louise Hay. But again, something that will really help you is regular sessions with someone. And then you unblock yourself and it's easy to get drawing. But if you don't want any of those things, I got you. I got you. Because I was very opposed to going to the counseling. I was very I don't want to do it. We don't want to do things that are hard. But things that are hard have the best payoff. However, asterisk is this: it takes time. Online, they will tell you how to fast improve your skills in 8 minutes. How to get better at drawing overnight. Practice for 30 days and see improvements. Find your art style today. And all of those are bollocks. It's not true. They are just for clicks. I'm gonna be honest with you. It takes time. Now, it probably won't take you as much time as it took me because I'm always 7 years behind. But it just takes time. It's a long game. Life is just basically a process, a journey. And don't worry about the destination. Really don't. But so, coming back to the counseling, getting your mind in order. If you don't want to do it straight away, what you can do to find passion again, you need to change your mindset. So I don't need to draw, I want to draw. Now this is, you see, the difference here is quite substantial. It's really okay, I have this comic book to finish. I promised myself I'm gonna do one illustration at least today, and I really have to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm not in the right place, but I have to do it. Then you sit in front of that page and you're going nowhere. Or you try to draw and it turns out terrible. So forcing yourself never really works. You need to simplify it as much as you can. The best way to do it is, I'm not gonna be here having my drawing session for an hour. Okay, I'm 41. It's gonna be probably half an hour. Some people can spend hours. If it's their job, fine. But if it's a passion, I'm gonna draw. I will draw now. Not for half an hour, but for 15 minutes. And I'm not gonna be worried about the whole illustration. I'm gonna just draw something small, a part of the illustration or a small object. And this is it. If you want to find joy in drawing again, start simple as you can. Say to yourself, okay, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna draw a bone or a star. I'm gonna do it in 5 minutes. Maybe I'm gonna draw a few more stars if I like it, or maybe not. And this trains you to get into a habit of drawing again, to find joy. To find joy, we need to focus on the simplest things. So this is my tip. Keep it simple, get your head straight. What's your experience? Have you lost joy in drawing? Let me know. Let me know your experience. And it's gonna get better. I cannot promise you, but I will promise you that. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next one. Oh, if you enjoyed this, check this one out. Bye!